Let me take a picture of it. Put your finger in its mouth. That's a baby. Ew. Come here, Brooks.
He's hot.
Switching sides to the little dock area. See if we can catch anything over here. In the rain. I'm gonna take them off the little.
Hey, boy, that used to be a dump right there. There used to be a dump.
Sorry, buddy. No. There's my bluegill.
Oh, what? He caught one?
Yeah.
He caught one.
Put it in.
Yeah.
Like that.
So that was in the restroom.
There you go. And you hold it like that. Don't let him go. There he goes.
Did you get a bite?
No. There we're.
Can I have it now?
I got too much slack in it.
Yeah, reel it in. I have it. Just reel it in before it gets right here.
It's raining. I got still.
Follow me. Set that up.
Oh snap! That's not mine. What'd you say, Brooks? Call that girl Bluey. Look at that. Calm down, Bluey. Hey.
I just want something to, or it might fall in the floor.
How did this happen?
So can you please give me some?
My third fish. Third fish.
Trying to eat my bait.
Little Bluey.
Dad, this turtle's trying to eat my bait. That turtle right there. He's trying to
Look.
eat my bait.
There you go, Bluey.
Dad, look. He's trying to eat my
Yeah.
bait. What are you doing?
You gonna catch that turtle? There you go, wash my hands.
He's like,
Brooks is over there eating chips. Look at him. He's eating chips. Wow, just relaxful Saturday out here fishing on the dock, catching some bluegill, eating some chips and some M&Ms. I caught 3 bluegills. He caught 2. The one that I thought was gonna die actually survived and went in the water. Just some good father and son bonding moments. Just relaxing. Gonna call it a day.
Daddy,
Gonna head home, get cleaned up.
where's the MLM? What an MLM?
If you like this video and if you like turning trails into memories and you enjoy father and son bonding moments, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you like to do with family. Remember, we turn trails into memories.